Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the RENPHO Elis 2X Smart Body Scale, featuring a modern tempered glass design, high-precision sensors, and a bright LED display. With advanced body composition tracking, smart app connectivity, and easy step-on technology, it makes monitoring your health metrics accurate, fast, and effortless for daily use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the RENPHO Elis 2X Smart Body Scale. 1.5-volt AAA batteries. Quick start guide. Product features. Designed with a clear and bright LED display that ensures your readings are always easy to see at a glance. The screen lights up automatically as soon as you step on, providing instant feedback without needing to tap or wait. Its high contrast makes it readable in both daylight and low-light conditions, adding convenience to everyday use. Powered by advanced high-precision sensors, the scale delivers fast, stable, and highly consistent readings. It detects even slight weight changes, which is especially useful for tracking progress over time. The step-on technology eliminates the need for manual calibration, so you get accurate results instantly every time you use it. This scale goes beyond basic weight tracking by offering a full breakdown of your body composition. It measures key metrics like body fat percentage, BMI, muscle mass, bone mass, and more, helping you understand how your body is changing. These detailed insights make it easier to adjust your fitness and health goals effectively. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, the scale syncs seamlessly with the RENPHO app to store and organize your data automatically. It allows you to track trends over time, set personalized goals, and even support multiple user profiles for family use. The app integration makes long-term health monitoring more interactive, detailed, and convenient. Technical specifications. App connection. First, download the RENPHO app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. This app is essential because it is where all your weight and body data will be stored and tracked over time. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone and place the scale on a flat, hard surface. Open the RENPHO app and tap on Add Device, then select the Body Scale option. Step onto the scale to wake it up, which allows the app to detect it nearby and begin the pairing process. Finally, once the scale appears on your app screen, tap Connect to complete the pairing. After successful connection, your scale will automatically sync all measurements directly to the app every time you step on it, allowing you to easily track your progress and monitor your health over time. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The RENPHO Elis 2X Smart Body Scale features a high-quality tempered glass platform with advanced ITO coating, allowing full-surface contact for more consistent and precise readings. In comparison, the Atexity ESF551 also uses tempered glass, but relies on standard electrode sensors, making it durable but slightly less advanced in measurement technology. The RENPHO Elis 2X stands out with its large 5-inch display that shows multiple body metrics directly on the screen, making it much more convenient for quick insights without opening the app. Meanwhile, the Atexity ESF551 comes with a simpler LED display that mainly shows weight, so you'll need the app to view detailed data. The RENPHO Elis 2X provides detailed body composition tracking, with up to 13 essential metrics on the scale and over 50 metrics in the app, including body fat, muscle mass, and metabolic age. The Atexity ESF551 also tracks body composition using BIA technology, but offers fewer advanced insights and relies more on app-based analysis for detailed tracking. The RENPHO Elis 2X supports Bluetooth connectivity and integrates with the RENPHO Health app, along with Apple Health, Fitbit, and other platforms, offering unlimited user profiles and deeper tracking insights. In contrast, the Atexity ESF551 connects via Bluetooth using the V-Sync app and supports fitness integrations, but overall provides a more basic feature set and ecosystem. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.